Hello friends, this is me Laneha Junsu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing Laneige Moisture Care Trial Kit that claims to be a travel-friendly set of skincare that lets you achieve smoother, softer, radiant skin anywhere you go. It has typical Laneige packaging and is a 4-piece miniature kit that includes skin refiner, emulsion, essence and gel cream. I have very dry skin and this kit is very hydrating. Oily skin people can use it too as you need a very little amount. The kit goes up to 25 days. Laneige is on the pricey side and these trial kits suit my pocket as I can try lots of stuff. The product packaging is adorable and feasible for traveling. A little goes a long way with Laneige. So the first step is toner or essential power skin refiner. All these products have specific Laneige smell. It is a cloudy liquid and consistency is lighter than a lotion and thicker than a water. It has a cooling effect on skin and absorbs instantly. Next is Water Bank Essence. I love the pump bottle. Essences and serums are the same thing, though it is only 10 ml, but you need very little of it. The texture is thicker and more white than refiner, almost gel-like. It absorbs into the skin really fast, leaving skin supple and hydrating. Then comes Balancing Emulsion, which is a moisturizer. It has 25 ml, same as skin refiner. It is thicker than both last products. You need to shake the bottle before you use it a few times for the product to come out, and its consistency is exactly like a thick cream. After using it, the skin feels rejuvenated. Now it's the turn of Water Bank Gel Cream. It is in a tube form. Even though it is 10 ml, it finished earlier than other products. We need to lock in moisture after all those steps, and this is a winner. It has gel-like texture and is a white color. This product makes my skin so soft and glowy. Just look at my hand yourself. So overall, I have used this entire kit and my skin was supple, brightened and moisturized every time I used it. Even though I have sensitive dehydrated skin, it didn't break me out throughout. In fact, my skin's texture improved. I used the product all the time in the night and my skin was glowy every time the next day. It is a great kit for throughout the year. People with oily skin can use it in winters. I will rate it 4/5, -1 for unequal amounts of products as gel cream finished faster than other products and then the essence. Also, emulsion is hard to get out. So that's it. This is me, Laneha Junsu, signing off. Bye.